Welcome to the DBeast Monitor installation guide. In this guide, we'll show you how to install DBeast Monitor from scratch on a fresh Ubuntu 24.04 distribution. First step, install Grafana. Let's open our web browser and head to the Grafana download page. Here, we can find the section that lists all the commands for installing Grafana. We recommend using version v9.5.10. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Now, let's navigate to the Grafana configuration file on our system. We need to edit the file to set the host, enable development mode, and set top nav equals false. Finally, let's start the Grafana service. Second step, install required plugins. Go to the Grafana plugins page, search for the JSON API plugin, and install it. Next, search for the business text plugin on the same page. Find the Grafana HTTP API plugin and install it as well. Last step, install the DBeast Monitor application. Let's look online for the DBeast Monitor application download. Once we find the latest release, we can download it, unzip it, and extract an application to the Grafana plugin folder. Find the DBeast Monitor plugin and enable it. You should now see the DBeast Monitor plugin appear in the sidebar. Currently, there is no data inside. In the next video, I'll show you how to add a new cluster. Thank you for watching.